As an avid toothbrush wearer for about, let's say, I've been an avid like electric toothbrush wearer or user for probably like 15 years. Ever since like I found that Oral-B one that had a little battery and it would just brush it out, I haven't been able to stop using electric toothbrush. And that's why I like the Brushmo electric toothbrush. One, can you look at how cute this pink is? This was actually sent to me from the brand, but as always, my opinions are my own. So as you can see too, this is just the cutest, I would say like millennial pink color. And I've just been in love with how sleek this looks, especially on my counter. And can we talk about how this charger, the old one I have, it takes up like this much space to charge it. But having this like super sleek charging mount that you just kind of sit this right in there. Also with the charging port being pink, it's just super cute. This also comes with 4 different brush heads. So currently I have the plaque remover one on. As you can see, I'll just bring it in nice and close. The plaque remover. But this actually comes too with 3 other ones. A sensitive, a tooth total clean, and a whitening. Or whitening, yeah, whitening, total clean, and sensitive. Which I feel like this really gives you a good like kind of taste of the different toothbrush heads from the brand, so you can really kind of find the one that's going to work best for you. This also has a bunch of different modes. So right now it's on, we'll do it on clean. And then it has white, sanitize, gum care, and a deep clean. And there's also a battery indicator at the bottom. This has a memory too, so when you're doing it, whatever you're last done on, it will remember it and it'll go back to it. That's why mine initially started off as white, because that was the last setting I had it on. This also has 30-second timers, so it'll kind of make a noise or kind of a different vibration when it's telling you to move to a different side of your mouth. So you're brushing, it'll go boop, boop, like in the vibration, and it's going to tell you that you want to go to a different side. It's going to do it again too, and then it's going to have an automatic shut off for 2 minutes. So this is great too if you're ever worried about you're not brushing your teeth enough. This is definitely going to be the toothbrush for you. So if you're looking for one, this is so sleek, so luxurious for a toothbrush. I can't even imagine not having it in my life already. Got rid of everything else in my house except for this one.